Record. Start over. Okay. Now in this, now we start the question number second. Okay, you sit there. Now we start the question number 2. Question number 2. Write first 5 multiples of. Write first 5 multiples of इसको म्यूट करिए यार. Okay. Okay. Write first 5 multiples of part A of this question A, and that is 5. Our solution is the definition of multiples. The multiples of the number are infinite, whereas the factors of the number are finite. Therefore, infinite we show dash dash dash. So now we write the multiples. The first 5, only first 5 numbers you have write. The multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 are. We write R equal, and you multiply the number by its natural number. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25.
सर एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए.
Okay, now again we discuss. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. This is how many? Yes. Tell me. Hello.
सर एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए.
Okay, in this question it is given, write first 5 multiples of. This is the part A of this question. 5.
सर वीडियो सब दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
अब दिख रहा है? The board is clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now.
Sir, video is not clear.
Video is not clear. बोल रहा है वीडियो नहीं क्लियर है. तो म्यूट कर दिए ना. मैंने म्यूट किया तो फिर इधर देखिए सर, एक सेकंड. म्यूट यहाँ ये
सर आवाज नहीं. सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
सर वीडियो क्लियर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Okay. The multiples are 5. Multiples are infinite, whereas factors are finite. And you have write in this question, write 5 multiples. If you write the multiples of the number, you multiply to its natural number. Now, we multiply 5 into 1, it comes 5. 5 to the 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 20. But the multiples are infinite, you show dash dash dash. And this is the 5 first multiples, 1 2 3 4 5, and that is our answer. Okay, it's clear. Now the B part you have solved, and now I solved the C part of this question. Question number 9. Solution of this question is multiples. First 5 multiples. First 5 multiples of 9 are, you multiply to its natural number. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 9 fives are 45, and you count how many multiples. 1 2 3 4 5. In this question it is given, right? 5 multiples. It's okay, all the 5 multiples are right it, but multiples are infinite, then you show dash dash dash. Okay, and that is our answer. It is clear. Now the third part of this question, match the items in column 1 and items in the column 2. You have match the column. Match the column. Question number 3. Column 1, first, and column second. The first part, 35. 35. Second is 15. Third is 10. Fourth is 20. And fifth is 25. And here is given in the column second, multiple of 8. Multiple of 8. Any number is multiple of 8. Here is third part is 16. Third part is 16. And in the column, the first A part, it is given multiple of 8. Which number is the multiple of 8? And that is 16. 8 to the 16. And you write here in the column second, multiple of 8. Okay? You match it. 16 is the multiple of 8. Now 15 and the D part of the column 2, factor of 30. Now look at here, second number, no, sorry, second part, B part is, this is the A part. In the column second, B part, multiple of 7. Which number is the multiple of 7? 35. The first number of the column first, column 1, 35 is the multiple of 70. Similar, you write multiple of 7. And this is the B part. Now 15. Now the C part, multiple of 70. Multiple of 70 is not in all the number. Multiple of 70 is not given here. We cannot match the column 1. D part, factor of 30. Factor of 30. Which number is the factor of 30? Which number is the factor of 30? 15. 15 is the number. It is the factor of 30 because the factor of 30s are 1, 2 also. 2, we write 30 in the form of 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 3 into 10, okay, and 15 already comes here, and these are the number 1, 2, 3, 10, 15 and 30. 15 is the factor of 30, And now here, the D part, factor of 30 is 15. So you show here, 15 is the factor of 30. Factor of 30. And this is the part D, factor of 30. Now, go to the next. E, factor of 50. Factor of 50, 25. 25, because if you divide it by 25, it is exactly divisible. 25 to the 50. The 25 is the factor of factor of 50, and this is the part number E. And the last part, factor of 20. Factor of 20. 20. 20 is the factor of 20. Factor of, look at here, 20. 20 is the factor, because the number itself, it is a factor of the given number. Therefore, this number, factor of 20, and this is the part number F. F. And that is our answer. That is our answer. We match all the numbers to the column second. Column first matched to the column second. 35 is a multiple of 7, because 7 5s are 35. 15 is the factor of 30, because 15 is exactly divisible by 30. Similarly, 16 is the multiple of 8. 8 to the 16. It is the multiple of 20 is the factor of 20, because if you divide it by 20 to 20, it is exactly divisible. Remainder comes 0. Therefore, 20 factor of 20, and 25 is the factor of 50, because if we divided 50 by 25, it is exactly divisible. And we match all the column first to column second, and that is our answer. Okay, Shivangi, it is clear? Shivangi, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Now, and the last question of this exercise, can I raise it? The last question of this exercise, question number 4. Find all the multiples. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. That means you multiply the 9 to its natural number up to 100. Nearest number up to 100. Not more than 100, but you write the numbers up to the 100. Now, our solution is of this question, multiples of 9 equal. You multiply this number to its natural number. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99. But 9 12s are 108. 108 is more than 100. But in the question is given, you have write all the multiples up to 100. Not more than 100, but up to the 100. That means it is equal to 100 or less than nearest 100, and my nearest 100 is 99, and 9 12s are 108. We cannot write because it is more than 100. Therefore, we write here up to the 100. Multiples of 9 are that we cannot here show dash dash because up to the 100 we write, and our answer is this. Multiple of 9 up to, we write here, up to 100. Okay, it's clear? It is clear? Shivangi, clear? Okay. Okay. Now this exercise we end, and my next topic is prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Composite number. Prime numbers and composite number. Are you know? My earlier videos, I will give you some definition. Prime numbers, composite number, co-prime numbers, twins prime number, so many definition I am giving in my earlier videos. I hope all of you have written my definition and learn also. But we start this topic once again. Once again, I will revise this definition, prime and composite number. Composite number. Prime number, those number having only two factors. Those number having only two factors. One factor is 1, and the another factor, the number itself, and they are called prime numbers. Once again, I will write this definition. First prime number. A number having, look at here, a number having having only two factors. Two factors. One factor is 1. One factor is 1, and the another factor is the number itself, and they are called prime numbers. Okay, it is clear. A number having only two factors. One factor is 1, Yeah, photos. Now, second definition is composite number. Composite number. Composite number. In composite number, a number, a number having more than two factors, a number having more than two factors, they are called composite number. Okay? And now we write this definition here. This is the definition. A number having having more than more than more than two factors, they are called composite number. Composite number. For example, and factor already you know, already know. I will write the definition is exact divisible of that number. Now, for example, 4. 4. The factor of 4 is 1 because 1 is exactly divisible by 4. 4. 4 is exactly divisible by 1. Therefore, 1 is the factor of 4. Then 2. 4 is exactly divisible by 2. That 2 is the factor of 4. And similarly, 4 is exactly divisible by 4. Therefore, 4 is the factor of 4. And how many factors are there? How many? 1, 2, 3. And in the our definition says having more than two factors. Here is more than two factors because 1, 2, 3. 3 is more than 2. Therefore, 4 is the composite number. These are the examples. Now, similarly, we take another example, 6. 6 has how many factors? 1, 2, 3, and 6. More than 2. And there's so many numbers, and composite number also in finite numbers, and these are the examples we write here, etc. Okay.
Sir, please unmute yourself. Yourself.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Sir,
Sir,
please.
please.
Sir, please
Sir,
unmute
Sir,
yourself.
your voice is not coming.
Sir, please unmute yourself. Your voice is not coming clear.
Sir, the video Sir, your voice is not coming.
Sir, your voice is not coming
Sir,
clear.
please
Exercise.
unmute yourself.
Yes. अनम्यूट करिए सर. कुछ नहीं, ट्रैक्टर है. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
Sir, your video is not coming properly.
हाँ नहीं, अनम्यूट नहीं हुआ. कहाँ से हो? ये तो कर दिया. अब कहाँ ले जाए? अब सबको कर दीजिए ना. हाँ, अनम्यूट कर दीजिए. ओ, अभी आया नहीं.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
ओके.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
अभी अनम्यूट नहीं हुआ. ओके. Okay, the exercise 3.2 and the first question of this exercise 1. What is the sum of any two? What is the sum? What is the sum? Sum. First, odd numbers. Any two. Sum of any two. Any two. Sum of